Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Himani. This is your affirmations for the month of October. October is round the corner and it is a month of festivals. Let's take some positivity through these affirmations and recite in our prayers so that we get our prayers answered and we become positive and happy. It's based on your zodiac signs. I will put down timestamp of each zodiac sign so you can check your affirmation and recite it 5 times a day during your prayers, or you can keep it in your office desk or in your mobile, anything you can do. So before starting, I request new viewers, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon so that you will be the first person to get the notification, and it will motivate me and I will motivate you. Also share this video with your family and friends so that they can also enjoy the guidances and become positive and happy. Share this video as much as possible. Also, for any help, personalized assistance, my social media handles will be there in the description box. Do check it out. So let's get started. Aries, let's see your affirmation. Okay, Aries, for you the affirmation is I do whatever it takes to get closer to consciousness. So अपने mind के consciousness तक जाने के लिए you can do anything. Keep on reciting this so your mind will be stable. I do whatever it takes to get closer to consciousness. So all the best, Aries. Let us check the affirmation for Taurus. Okay, Taurus, for you the affirmation is I surrender to a power greater than me. I surrender to a power greater than me. It will make you positive, Taurus. I surrender to a power greater than me. All the best. Keep on reciting. Gemini, let's see. Okay, Gemini, for you the affirmation is I witness the darkness and call on the light with my prayer. Thank you, universe, for guiding me to perceive this fear through the eyes of the teacher of love. I witness the darkness and call on the light with my prayer. Thank you, universe, for guiding me to perceive this fear through the eyes of teacher of love. Beautiful affirmation to come out of fear and enjoy the light. All the best, Gemini. Let's see about Cancer. Okay, so Cancer, your affirmation is my vibes speak louder than my words. My vibes speak louder than my words. So your vibe is always should be positive. That is what it is saying. My vibes speak louder than words. All the best, Cancer. Beautiful affirmation. So let's see Leo, the affirmation for Leo. Okay, Leo, for you the affirmation is the key to prayer is to forget what I think I need. The key to prayer is to forget what I think I need. Wonderful. So leave it to God, universe, and pray for happiness. Definitely your wishes will be granted. So if you forget what you wanted from universe, you will definitely get, as universe knows what you need in currently. So keep forgetting what you want. Just pray, happiness and prosperity for yourself and your family. Definitely your prayers will be answered. All the best, Leo. चलिए वर्गो पे चलते हैं. Let's see what is the affirmation for Virgo. Okay, Virgo, for you the affirmation is energy flows where my intention goes. एनर्जी फ्लोज वेयर माई इंटेंशन गोज. तो आपकी इंटेंशन अगर हैप्पीनेस की तरफ है तो एनर्जी वहाँ जाएगी, सैडनेस की तरफ है तो एनर्जी वहाँ जाएगी. सो यू हैव टू बी सेट योर इंटेंशंस क्लियरली. एनर्जी फ्लोज वेयर माई इंटेंशन गोज. सो ऑल द बेस्ट, वर्गो. लेट अस मूव अहेड टू लिब्रा. लेट्स सी द अफर्मेशन. ओके, लिब्रा, फॉर यू द अफर्मेशन इज I am unapologetic about what I desire and trust that what I focus on will grow. I'm unapologetic about what I desire and trust that what I focus on will grow. So focus on positivity, it will grow. Desires will not lead to happiness. focus on things that currently makes you happy. All the best, Libra. Scorpio, let's see the affirmation. Okay, Scorpio, for you the affirmation is hope is the conduit for miracles. So if you are hopeful, definitely miracles will happen. So hope is the conduit for miracles. Hope is the conduit for miracles. So you can say synonym of miracles. So if you are hopeful, definitely miracles will happen. So all the best, Scorpio. Let's move on to Sagittarius. Okay, Sagittarians, for you the affirmation is when I am in alignment with the love of the universe, peace cannot be disrupted. When I am in alignment with the love of the universe, peace cannot be disrupted. Very beautiful affirmation, Sagittarius. Keep on reciting this. You will be happy. Trust me, you will be happy. So when I am in alignment with the love of the universe, so universe definitely loves you. So if you are in alignment with the love of the universe, peace cannot be disrupted. So beautiful affirmation. Keep on reciting this, or you can click the photo and keep it, or write down in a paper, keep it in your desk, make you positive. All the best, Sagittarians. So let's us move on to Capricorn. Let's see the affirmation. Okay, Capricorn, for you the affirmation is I am the loving energy of the universe. Yes, I am the loving energy of the universe. I am the loving energy of the universe. Beautiful affirmation, Capricorn. All the best. So let us move on to Aquarius. Let's see the affirmation. Okay, Aquarius, for you the affirmation is I honor how I want to feel. I honor how I want to feel. I honor how I want to feel. Beautiful affirmation, Aquarius. All the best. So you honor what you feel. So you feel happy, honor it. If you are feeling sad, honor it. Might be sometimes we feel sad, disappointment also. Take all the feelings, honor it. Definitely you will be happy. All the best, Aquarius. Last zodiac, Pisces. Let's see. Okay, Pisces, for you beautiful affirmation. I always trust the direction of the universe and know I am being guided. I always trust the direction of the universe and know I am being guided. I always trust the direction of the universe and know I am being guided. So trust universe, you are definitely on the right path. All the best, Pisces. Thank you so much, guys. I hope these affirmations for the month of October will make you positive and happy. Till then, take care. See you. Bye bye.